All right, welcome back, everybody. It's been a little while since this car's been here. However, we just got the new modules in this, or in for this. We ordered some from a guy that was parting a car out. So we're gonna put those in, and hopefully this thing might start, might crank. We don't know. We went and got all matching modules, so it's gonna be all same VIN. We've already gone ahead and pulled out the old modules that were in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with, putting the ABS module in right now and all the other ones, and we'll give her a crank and see if she runs or starts or whatnot. If not, we're gonna be pulling the rest of the interior out and changing this harness, because I think personally this harness is,
oh my God,
all kinds of messed up because it's been modified. One thing we don't do here when we do our swaps, like for example that car we're doing next, it will not have a single plug cut on it. We'll be using a complete charger harness, uncut, and making the car run that way. All right, stay tuned. Well, welcome back. I was hoping it would be good news. Unfortunately, still no start. Something is not okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start with all that. That's not okay. New modules are in. All the VINs match now. Key has already been programmed with all the VINs in the other car, and this is all we get on the dash. There's no reaction from the key whatsoever. Bust.